What's up, guys? It's Alpha Blue, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And you're welcome to yet another awesome Euro USD weekly market review and update. So, guys, it's Euro USD again, and I'm currently on the 15-minute time frame. So, today is Sunday, the 21st day of May, a fresh week, and not some time to be alive, or some time to trade, or some time to make money. So right now, this is just my markups from last week. Let me clear all of this and start the technical analysis. Well, let's go to the higher time frame first of all and see what we can mark out. So this is Euro USD on the weekly time frame. For the past 2 weeks, Euro USD has been bearish, DXY has been bullish, dollar strength, dollar domination was back in play, and we have been seeing Euro USD to the downside. So towards the end of last week on Friday, we had a major uh, retracement on Euro USD. And I feel the market was just like retracing back for better sell entries, for more sells. Right here, if you look right here, this is a previous week's low. And I believe that going into this new week, Euro USD will continue to be bearish, except if we have a strong fundamental event that comes and changes the narrative of the market, that comes and drives the market the opposite it does. If we have any fundamental events that makes DXY to be bearish, you get, that weakens the dollar, then we may begin to see bullish move on Euro USD. If not, I believe we're going to continue bearish. I don't know how long, but I believe we are going to continue bearish. So, let me clear this up and then we see what we can do. So as you can see right now, Euro USD is like respecting this supply zone right here. And this supply zone price has been playing around before over like 2, 3 weeks. Then we now saw this very strong bearish move to the downside, which is what we have been riding for the past 2 weeks. So this new week now, I'm still expecting to see some bearish movement on Euro USD. Right now, price has kind of retraced, so I'm expecting to see something like this to the downside, at least to somewhere here. This is what I'm expecting to see on Euro USD. So let's zoom in and look and see what is going on. So I'm gonna clear this up again. So this horizontal line right here is the previous one of these weeks low, which is a liquidity area that price will want to come and take out. It gets very, very likely, especially because price has been bearish. Let's go to the daily. But before we go to the daily, let's mark the previous week's high. So because that is another place to be mindful of, because we can see like uh it could act as a liquidity area. Price will want to come and take it out before it continues bearish. You get, it's possible. So let's just mark out the previous week's high. The moment the market opens in like the next 15 minutes, we'll get a new week candle here. So this is the previous week high, this is the previous week low. But I don't want to mark this low right now because we have another week's low just beneath it. So this is still valid to me. So if I go to the daily, this is what the daily looks like. So as you can see, you could see that price is like reacting to a demand zone right here. But I just see this as a correction for the bearish move to continue. I just see it as a correction. I honestly just see this as a correction. for our. Now, as you can see, the order flow has been bearish, 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 right? The market has just been bearish. So this is what the order flow is like. Right now, you could say that price has corrected to like to an area of supply right here, and then it will continue the bearish movement. But it's not just as simple as this. We need to now further go to lower time frames and begin to look for areas of liquidity that price will want to induce before it goes down further. You get, it's not just as simple as drawing a support or a resistance like this, but this is just like the bigger picture of what is going on that I'm showing you. So we can expect to see price continue the bearish move from right here. So let me take this off. So now if I'm to look for liquidity, where price will likely reach before it continues this bearish move. Let's see. Now there's a supply zone here. This right here is a supply zone that we should put our eyes on. So this is one supply zone we should put our eyes on. One can also mark here, right, like this whole zone as a supply zone. But I really doubt if price will come back all the way here. But this is the one I'll have my eyes on for this week. This is the one I have my eyes on for this week. So I'll go to the 1 hour. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it still looks pretty clean on the 1 hour. Maybe I extend it a bit. One may even say this is like a liquidity that price may take out before it continues down. It's possible, but you never can see. So right now, this is what I'm going to be looking out for. This liquidity right here, this week right here, this week, then I will also be having my eyes on this OB right here. Because even though we're in a bearish, like, bearish move, and this is more of like correction before we continue bearish. But this whole move right here, if you go down to the lower time frame, like the 15-minute, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, you see that there's like a bullish order flow in this move. As you can see, lower, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So this right here may form as a demand zone that will give us another higher low for price to push up and take out this liquidity. So this is also a very like solid possibility, we could see something like this and take out this liquidity. It's very possible. So this is something that could also happen this week. But you have to just be open and trade what you see. So this is another possibility. Let me go to the 30 minutes. So just pretty much it. So this is one scenario I'm expecting. Then another scenario could be that price doesn't even take out this place. It just bust out like this, like this. You get? This is another scenario. So price could do this or do this, or it could just come all the way here. It could just come here, then give us a continuation down. So price could do this also. So this is what I'm expecting. Either of these can play out. So, anyways, that's just it for Euro USD. As we get into the new week, I'll continue to drop videos on what I'm expecting. But this is basically it. Let's watch and see how price reacts to these zones. I ultimately believe that even if not on Monday, tomorrow, but towards the middle or the end of the week, we should see price continue this bearish move, at least to take out this low right here. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We'll have like a clearer understanding of the direction of the market as we get into the week, as the market opens. But for now, this is just it. So let's just quickly look at the fundamentals, look at what we have on Forex Factory to see how the economic events looks for the week. So let's see. Tomorrow is 22, 26. Plus settings. Okay, so tomorrow, Monday, bank holiday. There's really nothing tomorrow, but as from Tuesday, we have a red event on Tuesday. Also have on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Well, the week is pretty much like red event almost every day of the week. But then nothing to worry about. Once you just get your technical analysis well, you can avoid the news and still have very awesome trades. So that's it for this weekly review. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and smash the subscribe button so you get to watch more of this content. And see you guys in the next one, guys. Cheers.